Here we're going to go over the steps on how to change the engine oil and filter on a 2019 Ford F150. This has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. So once you jack up the vehicle, make sure you also support it with jack stands. For more help, make sure to follow our step-by-step guide, and you'll have instructions and pictures to go with each step. But once you support the vehicle, then you'd come underneath, and then you have this panel right here. You need to remove. You got 8mm bolts, one there, one on the other side, two on the back. This needs to come down, and right here you have the bolt for the oil pan. This is on the passenger side, this is the driver's side. Okay, so once you remove that bolt, then you'll have to also remove the oil filter. And for the oil filter, you'll be able to access that right through here. And then you get the oil filter as tight as you can by hand. One thing to keep in mind is this panel right here does not need to be removed. Right here though is where, when you remove the oil filter, oil is going to drip right here that comes through the filter. So put an oil pan right under that, and then go ahead and add the recommended oil. In this case it's 5W30 synthetic, and also it requires 6 quarts. And then make sure to check the oil level. For more help, follow our step-by-step guide. Thank you.